Dear students, in today's class, we'll be learning about the impact of electronic commerce, the impact of e commerce. The e commerce has put some impression on different aspects or elements that we'll be looking at in today's class. So, e-commerce impact on many areas of business and disciplines of business management studies. Which are they? We'll see one by one later. Just some of the elements here. We have marketing, then we have computer science, then we have finance and accounting, then we have economics, then you have production and operations management, then we have production and operations management, manufacturing field, then management information systems, human resource management, business law and ethics. On all these aspects, the e-commerce has some impact. Let's see one after the another. On marketing, what is the impact of electronic commerce on marketing? So, issues of online advertising, marketing strategies, and consumer behavior and cultures. So, one of the areas in which it impacts particularly is direct marketing. In the past, this was mainly door to door and mail order using catalogs or leaflets. This moved to telemarketing and TV selling with the advances in telephone and television technology, and finally developed into e marketing, spawning eCRM, customer relationship management, data mining, and the like by creating new channels for direct sales and promotion. What it says is all those marketing events were there in the olden days are changed because of the e-commerce. See, now in the olden days, what was marketing? It was advertising. Advertising style was different, selling style was different, customer relationship management was different. Usually, it was made door to door or through the televisions, telemarketing, and some catalogs, leaflets. Such was the practice. But with the e-commerce, everything became electronic. Even the customer relationship management has become electronic, and things have changed. And on the concept of marketing, a great amount of impact has been put. Now, another is the subject, that is computer sciences. The computer sciences also has an impact because of the e-commerce. Development of different network and computing technologies and languages to support e-commerce and e-businesses. For example, linking front and back office legacy systems with the web-based technology. We are very clear that e-commerce is because of the development of the technology, and technology development takes place through the subject computer sciences, and this computer science and e-commerce has a great link, and e-commerce is has an impact on the computer sciences also, because the changes, the trends that is happening in the e-commerce makes the computer sciences to bring make about some changes. Next, we will be moving to the another impact, that is on the finance and accounting. Online banking issues of transaction costs, accounting, and auditing implications where intangible assets and human capital must be tangibly valued in an increasingly knowledge based economy. See, this finance and accounting aspects in the olden days were something different. It was handled manually. A person who used to keep the record of uh, any financial transactions, but today it has changed because there is a online banking, and everything is online, so automatic accounting will be kept up. A manual recording of the transaction is not needed. So electronic commerce has changed the field of finance and accounting also. Then economics. So what is the impact of electronic commerce, e-commerce on the economics? The impact of e-commerce on local and global economies understanding the concepts of digital and knowledge based economy and how this fits into economic theory. So we know that all commercial aspects are based on the economy or the economics, and this economy is changing because of the style of functioning in the commerce itself. Now functioning of the commerce is going more and more in the line of e-commerce virtual. So when it is changing virtual, automatically it will have greater impact on the economy or economics. Next, we have a production and operations management. The impact of online processing has led to reduced times. It takes seconds to deliver digitized products and services electronically. Similarly, the time for processing orders can be reduced by more than 90% from days to minutes. Production systems are integrated with finance, marketing, and other functional systems as well as with the business partners and customers. What it says is production and operations management have made easy because of the e-commerce. So the impact of e-commerce is highly on, there is a high impact of e-commerce on production and operations management. And one of the examples it is given is for delivering the digitized product. It may be delivering the movie or delivering the books, e-books, or delivering the music piece. It is very easy. Within seconds, you can send from one person to another. Delivering is possible. See, this is the example. How the operations are made very easy. Even in the matters of production. Say for production, you require the finance and other elements which would be integrated because of the e-commerce, and so many automation is done in the e-commerce, and because of that so many processes are made easy. Next one is in the field of manufacturing, there is an impact of e-commerce. So production operation manager in especially in the field of manufacturing, moving from mass production to demand driven mass customization customer pull rather than the manufacturer pull of the past. Web based enterprise resource planning systems can also be used to forward orders directly to designers and or production floor within seconds, thus cutting production cycle times by up to 50%, especially when manufacturing plants, engineers, and designers are located in different countries. In sub-assembler companies, where a product is assembled from a number of different components sourced from a number of manufacturers, communication, collaboration, and coordination are critical. So, electronic bidding can yield cheaper components, and having flexible and adaptable procurement systems allows fast changes at a minimum cost, so inventories can be minimized and money saved. What it says is manufacturing is made easy because of the e-commerce. So this is the impact of e-commerce on the manufacturing, production, and operations management. So the first sentence makes it a little sense that earlier it was mass customization and so sorry, in the earlier it was mass production. So you are producing, and what you are producing that you were selling. Now mass customization, it means what the people want accordingly that you are producing, because you are able to get the needs of the people, the orders of the people, and accordingly what the demands are there people, according your item is designed. That is possible in the manufacturing. Then web-based enterprise resource planning systems can also be used to forward orders directly to designers and or production flows within seconds. See, earlier somebody has to take the order, and that information has to be given to the manufacturers. Today it is not that. Because of the websites, direct from the customer or the person who gives the order, that will come information to directly the producer or a person who is who is engaged with the production manufacturing. So he is very efficient and time consumption is very less. Then manufacturing plants, engineers and designers are located in different countries sometimes, and it is very difficult to give the order as you want. But it is because of the e-commerce, wherever the manufacturer may be, whichever country he may be, you are able to reach out to him, contact to him, and you are able to tell your desires and your wants. Next, the impact of e-commerce on the management information systems. So analysis, design and implementation of e-business systems within an organization, issues of integration of front end and back end systems, that which can be seen outside and that which cannot be seen, which are behind the screen, back end systems or that is storing systems, uh, everything is affected because of the e-commerce. Then human resource management, issues of online recruiting, home working and working on a project by project basis, replacing permanent employees. See, on the human resource also a lot of impact has put up uh, by the e-commerce. See, from the arrival of e-commerce, the style of working has changed. Today people, many are sitting at home and only and working for different companies. Even the selling styles have changed. Earlier delivery system was in a different condition, today it is different. People were engaged manually in the working, today just they sit in front of the computers and work. The style of working, everything has changed, so human resource management is changed. Then, business law and ethics, the different legal and ethical issues that have arisen as a result of global virtual market. Issues such as copyright laws, privacy of customer information, legality of electronic contact, etc. See, due to the emergence of e-commerce, so many legal issues have come up. Legal issues such as copyright laws. See, one person produces a music and it is put on the website somewhere. So that can be copied by anyone. Therefore, there are legal issues for protecting that is required. Then privacy of customer information. When you are purchasing on the websites, it is or you are making sending any documents, anybody can hack. Therefore to the hackers there should be punishment or some legal procedures. So all those things are framed. Therefore because of e-commerce, business laws and ethics have taken a shape. So here I am concluding what are the impacts of electronic commerce. It's not a major topic, a minor topic, small topic, just for your information. How the e-commerce has a affected or put an impact on various fields and the subjects. Thank you.